Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to learn how you can use your Gmail even if you don't have any internet connection. That is, using Gmail and sending emails while you are offline. That's right, this is a very useful feature of Gmail, that if you want to send multiple emails but right now you don't have any internet access, so you do your work and you can use it on the offline mode, and once the internet is available it will do all the work and send those emails right away. Also, let's see the main problem because of which we need to set up the offline email feature, which will be very useful for us. Right now I have disconnected to my internet, as you can see here. Now if I try to refresh, it will show you that you are appear to be offline. So it says that you can't use Gmail until you are connected to the internet. And that is the main problem, that maybe you have received multiple emails and you need to work on that, and you need to sort them out or reply to some of the emails. But right now you don't have any internet access. So you are stuck and you cannot do your work. So that is where the offline email feature will help you. So let's connect back to the internet, and now you can see that it's working. Now, how will we set that? I'll go to the top right corner where I can see this gear icon, that is settings. I'll click on that and click on see all settings. Now on the right hand side, you can see the offline and themes option. Right now, I'm telling you the features that are updated in 2023 of Gmail. So in future the positioning might be different, but you can figure it out. Maybe they change the position from here to here, but the main point is you need to go in the offline tab, and here you can enable offline mail. Now here it says storage using 84 MB of 2 GB available for offline mail on your computer. That is the storage that it will use to store that emails to show you in offline mode, and the storage will be taken from your computer, and it will be automatically refreshed within some time period, like 24 hours, 48 hours. So it will renew the latest storage. So in that way you can access your offline emails, and you can store emails from the last, let's say, 30 days. So this is where this storage account will consume the data. For example, you want to store emails only of the 7 days. So if I change it to 7 days, it will only show you the emails in the offline mode, and the storage will automatically be reduced in size because it will show the last 7 days emails only. So let's change this back to 30 days. And if I want to download the attachments automatically so that I can access them on offline as well, you can choose that. Now just remember that all the emails that are already received while you were online will be stored in your computer, so that whenever you go offline, even then you can see those emails. For future emails, for live emails or future emails, you need obviously the internet connectivity. So this option basically enables you to download attachments, use email for the last 30 days. So for all the upcoming days, it will automatically renew and keep it to the latest 30 days. Now there are some security features as well. As you can see here, after logging out from my Google account, whether it's from mobile or your laptop, please choose one of the following: keep offline data on my computer or remove offline data from my computer. Now it's your personal choice. You can see the details of it, but for now I'll keep offline data on my computer. That is specifically feasible for all the people who are using the system on their own. That is not a shared PC like in the office or something. So if they are using this on their own PC, they can keep offline data on their computer as well. Otherwise you can choose the other option. So basically, if you're using on your personal computer, you can keep this, and if you're using on the public PC or computer or mobile phone, then you can choose the remove offline data feature. Now with this feature, let's save the changes. It says offline not recommended for the shared devices. As I told you that for the public devices, it's not recommended. Emails will remain on this device until offline mode is disabled. Got it? And the most useful feature for this is if you want to compose email or send email to anyone and you are temporarily out of network, so you can compose and even send that email. So whenever, as soon as the Gmail will get access to the internet, it will automatically send that email. So let's check this now. If I disconnect to my internet, let's see if this works or not. Now you can see that your offline some functionality may be unavailable, but it's still showing all the emails. You can access that, reply to that, and this is how it works. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.